Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're able to join me on today's episode. And so today I want to show you the harvest of two of my yams, those earlier ones that were planted in February. I think they're ready for harvest, and much more so their leaves are occupying the entire place, and because it's a small space anyway, they're not allowing the other plants to get as much sunlight as they should get, because the leaves have covered it. All these are just two yam plants. The other yam plants are just beginning to spread, not as much as these two. Those were the earlier two that I planted in February. So I wanted to show you the harvest, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Without much ado, let's get to it. So I managed to cut off all the ropes that had all these leaves for the yam plants. See, there they are. So we are going to go to digging out the yam tuber. The soil is soft, so I don't need to put water. It rained a few days ago. Just perfect condition to dig. Okay, so this is the yield. Not good, not good, not good. This is the yield from the two yam plants. I'm surprised. Well, maybe this yam in bag is not such a, or maybe I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it's not giving the right results. I've planted yam before, and I know we planted in the soil directly. I know how big a yam you should expect. So these are my yield, and it's so disappointing like last year, but it's okay. I've decided I'm not going to be planting yam in bags anymore. I don't have the space anyway, so I'm going to limit this small space to vegetables. I'm really disappointed with this yield. I'm going to leave these ones that are still growing and leave them for longer. I'm always experimenting, especially with my garden. I'm always trying out things. I like that part of me. I'm always asking questions and wanting to know some things. So when I find a new idea, I want to try it out myself. I like experiencing and experimenting. So yeah, it's good. The yield isn't such a good one, but I think overall I'm not doing badly as a gardener. So I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching.